Welcome to the world of Reach Media. It's a bright and bold new world where unaddressed media is arguably the most targeted, most measurable, most cost-effective and most far-reaching mass medium for your business. And we're going to show you why. Reach Media divides New Zealand into 5,300 distribution rounds. That's 1,000 more sections than our nearest competitor. This allows our distributors to carry more mailers to less homes, so delivery is quicker and more efficient. The number of distribution rounds also allows us to analyse and target our deliveries with unrivaled accuracy. And we are finding new ways to help this greatly benefit your business. Our partnership with MarketView gives us access to point-of-sale debit data for roughly 20% of all New Zealand retail transactions. This brings a whole new science to the world of mailer distribution. Let's look at a fictional example with a store called Pies R Us. Pies R Us has 4 stores across a city that has 200 distributor rounds. They currently operate a full distribution mailer strategy in this region, delivering to all 200 distributor rounds. Now, it might be correct to operate this full distribution strategy, but it's not particularly scientific. We can view the MarketView spend at Pies R Us over 12 months. We can then map the spend to each of the city's 200 distributor rounds to see how much consumers living in each area are spending at Pies R Us. The information will show us how often consumers spend in each store, the average value of a transaction, and when they last spent in each store within the chain. You can immediately start to see which areas are of value to the business. Pies R Us can use this information to cut distribution to underperforming areas. MarketView information can also be used to look at performance against competitors. Let's assume that Pies R Us operates within the lunch category, against a group of sushi competitors. With MarketView, you can see your share of the lunch category within each distributor round. Here are some simple examples of how to apply these learnings to distribution strategy. We can identify the distribution rounds where Pies R Us are getting more than their fair share of wallet and make sure that we keep full distribution in those areas. We could also get these valuable customers to spend more by cross-selling different products to them. Elsewhere, customers might be spending a lot in the category, but the sushi competitors are winning the fight. Pies R Us would want to keep distributing in these areas, but perhaps try a mailer change-out to drive trial. For example, putting a loss-leading pie on the cover. In the areas where Pies R Us and the whole category are underperforming and there is little prospect of return on investment, then Pies R Us can completely cut out distribution with little fear of losing out. These are simplistic examples, but with tools like MarketView, the possibilities for analysis and action are endless. It's like applying direct marketing principles to a mass medium, with the ability to treat each distribution round differently. Talk with your Reach Media rep today about how to unlock the potential of these exciting tools.